Yo, what's up, guys? You're welcome back to my channel. So today I just deposited this $82 and I'm gonna be trading with it. Okay, so guys, this the currency I'm gonna be trading is the ZAO USD on the 1 hours time frame. Okay, so ZAO USD is at its supply area right now and it have reacted 2 times, so I'm expecting this market to drop. So guys, let's enter some few positions. Okay, so guys, let's watch out how market is going to react, guys. Let's watch out how market is really going to react. Okay, so let's watch out how market is going to react. Okay, so the awesome oscillator is also showing us a bearish momentum. Okay, so let's expect this market to drop. Okay, so let's place some sell stop at 2054. 2054. Okay, so let's place more sell stop 2054 so that when the market start dropping, they will get triggered and then it will maximize our profit.
A few minutes later.
So guys, now our trade is down running over $1,500, guys. So guys, our sell stop orders here got triggered and then from there market started to drop. Okay, so guys, and we have managed to make about $1,500 right now. So our $82 is now running $1,500. So let's close our trades now. Okay, so let's lock up our profit. So guys, we have closed our 82, our trades now at 1,611.29. Okay, so guys, immediately when the market reacted to the level the second time there, so it just dropped. Okay, so it dropped, and this 1,600 profit, I'm okay. So I've closed out all my trades, guys. I've closed out all my trades. Okay, so this is the power of AO divergence. So after the divergence, we know everything is sure. Okay, so we always look at our awesome later when doing analysis. Okay, so guys, let's look for another new setup. Okay, so let's look for a new setup. Okay, so guys, our balance is 1,611.29. Okay, so let's look for setup and flip it, and then I'll also do some giveaway from inside. Okay, so guys, let's do this, guys. Let's go. Okay, so guys, currently here there is a break to the downside on ZAR USD. So it currently broke this support area here, and it is retesting right now. So guys, I'm expecting the market to drop. Okay, but I'm gonna be entering slowly, guys. I'm gonna be entering slowly. So first of all, let me enter some few positions, guys. Okay, so let's enter slowly. This is 9.33, but let's enter slowly, guys. Okay, so guys, we are gonna be setting some sell stop orders so that when the market starts dropping, let's leverage more on our profit, guys. Let's go. Okay, so let's watch how this market is really gonna behave.
A few moments later.
So guys, here is our ZAR trade running over $122,000 in profit right now. Okay, and our entry is now running over 400 pips now, or 500 pips. Okay, our trade is running over 500 pips, guys. It's running over 500 pips. Okay, so guys, immediately when we entered the trade here, so it went up a little bit, and then when it started dropping, we added more layers, we added more positions, and then from then it began dropping non-stop, non-stop. It has been dropping. Okay, so guys, I came to add another position here to look for a setup and add another position here, but I think I'm satisfied with this profit here. Okay, I'm supposed to add another entry here. Okay, but I just say, okay, let me close this profit, guys. Let me just close this profit, even though I'm supposed to add more trades here. Okay, so guys, currently it's running over 121k. So I think this trade, I think I'm satisfied with this profit right now, and I'm gonna be closing all my trades. Okay, so guys, $82 is now 123 USD. Okay, so guys, that is how we do. So guys, this money, I didn't make this money alone. I made it with my Telegram channel members. Okay, so I drop signals also so that everyone can be able to grow their account and make some money also. And also this money here, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway of $20,000. Okay, so my Telegram channel link is on this video description. So I'm gonna drop it on this video description. Okay, so and for the $20,000 giveaway, I'm gonna be giving away $5,000 to four lucky winners. Okay, on the comment section. Okay, so to win this giveaway, what you have to do is to comment, leave your best comment. For those of you that use my signal, okay, so give the best comment on this video description, and then on my Telegram channel, four lucky people who are going to win this giveaway, I will announce it on my Telegram channel. Okay, so I will ask you to send me a direct message on Telegram. So after dropping a message, make sure to join my Telegram channel so that you can be able to send me a direct message on Telegram. Okay, so my Telegram channel link, I'm gonna be dropping it on this video description. Okay, so join and then wait for me to reply your comment asking you to send me a direct message on Telegram. Okay, and then when you send me a direct message on Telegram, so you send your USDT address and then I'll send you the money. Okay, so guys, I'm closing out all my trades here. Okay, so let's secure the profit, guys. Let's secure the bag. Okay, so guys, now I have closed all my trade and bagged $121,487.69. Okay, so guys, that's how we do it. Fucking easy. So for the giveaway, smash like button, comment, and then join the Telegram channel. Link is on this video description. Okay, so and I'm gonna reply your comment asking you to send me a direct message on Telegram. Okay, so and then you get 5,000 USDT. Okay, to four lucky people. Thanks.